Today, cooking 1, 2, 3, I'm going to show you how to cook a lamb's head in a crock pot. And then after it's cooked for about 10-15 minutes, we're going to take it and put it in the conventional oven. Okay? So it's really easy. Just watch me. Well, what we do is just to put in the bottom, I take about 2 cups of water so it doesn't go dry. Take the water, put it in, and then I put another one. We bring it on high. I take the lamb's head, I place it right in here, just like this, okay? Just like this. And 2 of them fits perfect in there, okay? You don't do nothing else, just this. You take the top, put it in, and let it cook. Now, our lamb heads are cooked. And what we're gonna do right now is take them out, right out of here, out of the crock pot, put them right in here, and we're gonna cook it in the conventional oven for about 20 minutes at 425 degrees. Okay? So, what I do is, I grab my glove right here. We're gonna get it a little bit, nice and crispy looking, okay? We're gonna put it in here for about 20 minutes. And 20 minutes later, we're gonna take it out and I'm gonna take it apart. Okay, it's been about 20 minutes. Now, we're pulling out the lamb. Now it's gonna get ready to get picked. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take it apart. I just move it from here to there. Look at that, it's falling apart. Look at this. Wow, 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 wow. Are we ready to eat? We're ready to munch down. Okay, now with that, we pulled it out of the oven. Now, watch this. Look at this. Whoa. Look at that. It's all ready. Look at this. Look at it. Wow, 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 wow.
Looks like alligator mouth.
Yeah, now we're getting ready to eat this. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take this apart a little bit. And so after I take it apart, I'm gonna show you. Well, from here, I'm gonna take the brain out, What we do is, it's called the brain salad surgery, okay? It's really easy. It's a little hot and it's a little hard, but what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take the brain apart. There we go.
Perfect.
Okay? Look at this.
Yeah, perfect.
Now the kids, everybody loves the brain because what I do is, I take it out
Olive oil.
and I let it cool down. Okay? Yeah, what we do is we take it out, we let it cool down, okay? And I'm gonna take this one apart too. I'm gonna let it cool down, and I'll show you what I do with it, okay?